Hello, Mustangs. This video is meant to show you the basics of enrolling in classes using the student dashboard in my.SMU. Let's get started. When logging into my.SMU, make sure to click on the Students Login button. This will immediately direct you to the student dashboard once you log in. The homepage for the student dashboard is where you can check your to-dos, account holds, and class shopping cart at a glance. Now, let's go over the quickest way to enroll in classes with the Schedule Builder. The Schedule Builder makes scheduling your classes quick and easy. Instead of searching for the exact section number that fits your schedule, simply select up to 7 courses you would like to take, and Schedule Builder will automatically check all available sections of those courses and provide you possible schedule options. To start using the Schedule Builder, click the Enrollment section in the left-hand sidebar of the student dashboard. Then, click Schedule Builder. On the screen that appears, you can click Continue or view tips to have Schedule Builder help walk you through the process. Start by confirming that the correct term you would like to enroll in is selected. You can also set how much time you want in between classes, time ranges when you are unavailable, and choose specific filters for class meeting type, location, etc. You can use the course attribute and course attribute value fields to show courses that fulfill certain parts of the general education curriculum, for example, breadth, foundation, or proficiencies and experiences courses. Now, select the subject and catalog number for the class you wish to take. When complete, click Add Course. Then, repeat the process for up to 7 classes. If you wish to select specific sections of a class for your schedule, click the Select Sections button next to the course and select the sections you would like from the list. Then click OK. When you are done adding classes to your list, click Build Schedule. You will now be presented with possible schedule options for the classes you selected. Scroll through these options by clicking the arrows or page numbers at the top of the schedule. Once you have found the schedule that works best for you, you can save it as a favorite to return to later, add it to a comparison list to compare with other possible schedule options, or click Enroll to begin the enrollment process. Check the box next to each class you want to enroll in, then click Enroll again. You may be prompted to choose enrollment options. Click on each course and check the box if you wish to be added to the wait list if the class is full. After making this selection for all of the listed courses, click Enroll. If seats are available, you will now be enrolled in the course. You can confirm this by looking at your class schedule or your course list in your student dashboard. You can also enroll in courses by using the advanced or simple class search in your student dashboard and adding the desired courses to your shopping cart. More information on this method is available on the Student Essentials page at smu.edu/mysmu.